Building a digital signage network, the ultimate guide for businesses. Digital signage has transformed the way businesses communicate with their audiences, visually, dynamically, and in real time. Whether you're running a retail chain, a hospital, a factory, or a restaurant, building a digital signage network can enhance engagement, streamline communication, and drive measurable results. In this guide, we walk you through every step of building your own digital signage network, from defining goals to implementing digital signage best practices for long-term success. Why digital signage matters today. In an era where attention spans are short and customer expectations are high, static posters and printed signs no longer cut it. Digital signage enables organizations to deliver dynamic, up-to-date content that grabs attention and enhances user experience. Whether it's promotional offers in retail stores, real-time production data in factories, or health protocols in hospitals, digital signage allows for content agility and contextual relevance. Industries worldwide are already reaping the benefits. For instance, restaurants use digital menu boards to boost upselling, while factories employ real-time digital signage displays for operational updates and safety alerts. In corporate settings, internal communication is strengthened with company news and motivational messaging delivered through digital signage. The possibilities are endless and growing. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, digital signage is becoming more than a tool. It's a strategic asset for customer engagement and operational efficiency. Planning your digital signage network, defining your goals. The first step in building a digital signage network is defining what success looks like. Ask yourself, what are your objectives? Are you trying to increase foot traffic, improve internal communication, display real-time KPIs? Your goals will inform every decision you make going forward. Understanding who you're targeting is crucial. A signage strategy for shoppers will differ from one aimed at employees on a factory floor. This clarity helps tailor content that resonates and engages. Content is king. It should not only align with your goals, but also capture attention. Use a mix of images, video, animations, and text to convey your message clearly and quickly. Select a platform that enables easy scheduling, remote updates, and real-time changes. A cloud-based digital signage platform like Signage Space simplifies this process by offering seamless content control across multiple screens and locations. Essential tools for success. Selecting the right platform. Choosing the right digital signage software is pivotal to the success of your network. The market offers several types of platforms: cloud-based, on-premise, and hybrid, each with its own set of pros and cons. Cloud-based platforms like Signage Space are ideal for businesses looking for flexibility, ease of setup, and remote content management. They eliminate the need for player hardware or complex server installations, allowing users to control their displays from anywhere. Your digital signage platform should be scalable, user-friendly, and robust enough to grow with your needs. Implementation and deployment, bringing your network to life. With your platform chosen, it's time to bring your network to life. The display technology, LED, LCD, or OLED, screen size and orientation, landscape or portrait, should match your use case. In high-traffic areas, opt for commercial-grade displays designed for long hours of operation. Whether you're mounting a screen in a store window or setting up screens throughout a warehouse, installation should follow safety guidelines and ensure visibility. Pair the screens with your player app, like the free Signage Space Player app for quick setup. Use templates or design tools to build playlists of images and videos. Platforms like Signage Space allow users to assign durations and automate playback, streamlining the publishing process. Maximizing your digital signage network, best practices, and optimization. Digital signage is not a one-and-done project. To maintain its effectiveness, continuous optimization is key. Keep content fresh and relevant. Use bold headlines, contrasting colors, and motion to draw attention. Test different formats and measure performance. Use data to understand how viewers are engaging with your content. Are people responding to promotions? Are internal announcements being noticed? Fine-tune your strategy based on insights. Case studies reveal what works. For example, a retail chain might see a 30% increase in impulse buys after introducing digital end cap signage. A factory may improve worker safety by displaying real-time incident data and safety protocols. By following these best practices and maintaining a consistent update cycle, you ensure your digital signage network remains a high-performing asset in your communication strategy. Conclusion. Building a digital signage network doesn't have to be complex. With the right goals, tools, and strategy, you can create a dynamic system that informs, entertains, and influences your audience. Whether you're in retail, hospitality, manufacturing, or any other industry, digital signage empowers you to speak visually and effectively. Ready to take the next step? Explore how Signage Space can help you deploy a digital signage network without the hassle